In this video, I'm going to show you what a facilitator actually does. It's a skill we all possess, but which may need a little bit of practice to get going. And maybe you even practice these skills already without even knowing. Maybe you're also already an advanced facilitator. Whatever, I think that video will be of value to you. I'm René, I'm the co-founder of the Facilitator School, and throughout running many workshops, I noticed that you can break down the facilitation skill into 4 main roles. If you look around the web, you'll find that there are multiple definitions for what a facilitator is. But let's keep it simple for now. A facilitator is someone who makes it easy for a group to achieve something. You want to help a team solve a problem, reflect on the past, plan for the future, ideate on something, or simply make sense of a very complex topic. Whenever you bring a group together, you can put on that facilitator hat. And the word facilitation actually comes from Latin, where facilis means easy. You can also look in French, where faciliter means to make something easy. So you really want to help to ease a group's process. And whether that is a meeting of an hour or a workshop of a day, you really want to help a group do their best thinking. With the definition in mind, let's move further to step into the roles that we can fulfill as facilitators. The first is what I call the designer. As a designer, we want to gather some information about the group. I like to do some phone calls with the organizers and with the participants to understand the dynamics, but also the needs of the group, the purpose of the workshop, the meeting, and the desired outcome. With that in mind, we can sit down and design the structure of the meeting or the workshop and really see which exercises and activities we have to fit in so that we can lead the group to the goal. The second role is being a host. And as a host, we set the stage for a nice gathering. We really embody warmth when people come in, whether that is in person or virtual. We greet them, make them feel comfortable, and also make sure that they have all tools and resources available to have a smooth beginning in a workshop. By being a host, we also encourage participation because we include everyone in, and we really want to make sure that there's openness for perspectives. And that is actually what makes up for a safe space. Number 3 is being the guide. And as a guide, we really want to introduce ourselves in the beginning, make sure to present the desired outcomes, and provide clear direction to where the group is going. We also guide the group to what is often unexplored territory. People will get off track, and as guides, we bring them back on track to see that we move together as a group. Whatever the case, we will provide calm confidence in the path that we propose. Number 4 is being the coach. And as a coach, we really want to help the group perform at their peak state. And it might be different things working against your group. They might have a disagreement about something, it might be doubts about the projects, they might be in different mood swings, or just be generally distracted. And as a coach, we're aware of all that, but we still are advocates of focus and doing essential work. And despite all these challenges that they have, we help them make good decisions. And with good decisions, we lay the ground for accountability and long-lasting impact of the meeting or the workshop. And that's it. As you see, facilitation is a bundle of skills that you can always use when you work together with a team. If you want to take it a step further, go on Facilitator School and subscribe to our newsletter. You can find the link in the description.